quick video. Let me show you this trick. If your blower not working and you replace this 40 amp fuse and it's still not working, disconnect your battery under the passenger seat, then take this 30mm nut off, unclip all this 4 clip, take the fuse box out, you go back here, unclip this plug, squeeze this in, slide this out like this, and you'll get this plug out. You see is melted. If you see this melted like this, and it's a little bit open, so it's not touching the fuse, and you'll see this one too. Turn the light on. You can see that one too. I just spray it. This one right here, the first top left is burning. So you need to scratch it a little bit. So just scratch it and use this rust inclusion protection. This stuff is very good. It's pricey, like $10–11, but it works. So you scratch it, scratch this, spray some in here, some in there, and we should be fixed.